We're logged into NDex. Once logged in, you're wanting to go to the Portfolio Management tab, where you can customize reports. To make an individual customized report, you're wanting to go to Advanced Search, which brings up a opening section where you can decide to choose which advisor codes, rep codes you would like to import data for. The system automatically defaults to all rep codes on your book of business, so unless you want to exclude any, you would just remove a checkbox to do so. Otherwise, default for all. Once that is selected, you're going to want to go to the bottom right-hand corner and select Search, which populates all data for your entire book of business below, regardless of account type, regardless of rep code. And from there, we select Batch Export, which is going to create a pop-up window, which further allows you to define the parameters of the report. Once the pop-up is enabled, a secondary window comes up right here, for which you can choose the fields you'd like to put in your report. So from our standpoint, we'd like the account level information selected by selecting the following fields below based on the templates. You can identify which column in what sequence you'd like by just simply selecting the field and numbering them in the order you wish to put them in. Once you've selected all of the fields you'd like to maintain your report, scroll down to the bottom and select Export, which then generates the report to your report list, Batch Export List. And once the report moves to completed status after it finishes rendering, you simply click on the completed report, which moves an Excel file to your downloads.